Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is acclimatization. Now this is a term that is important in the context of range of tolerance. Now as we had discussed in the range of tolerance, that there is a stress zone that is there in every environmental factor. Now for instance, an organism is forced to enter the stress zone. This might happen due to a seasonal change. For instance, we are talking about temperature as an environmental factor, and it might happen that temperature variation is such that the animal has to enter the stress zone. So in this particular zone, the animal has three options. Either the organism can go into a rest period, which is about hibernation and incubation, or the organism can migrate from that particular region, or third, the organism can adjust to that region. And if this adjustment is what is taking place, that is a gradual physiological adjustment is what is taking place to a slowly changing new environment and new environmental conditions, then that is what is known as acclimatization. For instance, an animal was used to, or for that matter, was hunting during the daytime, but it might happen that suddenly, because of the rising temperature during daytime, the animal is compelled to hunt at night or develops a tendency to hunt during the evening hours. So that is what is a physiological adjustment, and this is what is going to be acclimatization. This is something that you should distinguish from adaptation. Adaptation happens when some morphological change also takes place. For instance, in the previous example, if the animal also starts developing a night vision, then that is what is going to be an adaptation, and that is why it is a higher stage from acclimatization. Next is the concept of evolutionary response. Now, an evolutionary response is altogether a shift of the organism into a higher hierarchy or a different species altogether, where an organism evolves into another organism altogether. So that is what is going to be evolution, and this is what is the difference between acclimatization, adaptation and evolution. So that's all about our discussion today. I thank you for watching the video.